The Easy Life. Evan was a young man who lived in a small town by the sea. Every morning, he woke up early, opened his window, and listened to the sound of the waves. His life was calm and simple, but sometimes he thought it was too easy. He worked in a small bakery. Each day he made bread, smiled at customers, and cleaned the tables. His boss, Mr. Lewis, always said, "Evan, you're a good worker. People like your smile." Evan smiled back, but he didn't feel excited. He wanted something more: adventure, change, maybe a big dream. After work, he often went to the beach. He watched people surfing and walking their dogs. The sky looked beautiful, but he thought, is this all? Work, eat, sleep? One day a woman came into the bakery. She had a camera around her neck and a happy face. "Hi, can I get 2 croissants and a coffee, please?" "Of course," Evan said. "Are you visiting our town?" "Yes," she smiled. "I'm a travel photographer. I take pictures of small towns like this one." "That's amazing," Evan said. "You must see many beautiful places." Clara nodded. "Yes, but sometimes the small, simple places have the best stories." Those words stayed in Evan's mind all day. The simple places have the best stories. The next morning, Evan decided to do something new. He took his old phone and started to record short videos, making bread, walking on the beach, feeding birds. He called it The Easy Life. At first, nobody watched, but he continued. Every day after work, he uploaded a new video with calm music and simple English captions. Soon people started to comment, "Your videos make me feel peaceful. I watch them every night before sleep." Evan was surprised. He never thought his normal life could inspire anyone. A few weeks later, Clara returned to the bakery. "Hey, Mr. Filmmaker," she said, laughing. "Your videos are becoming popular." Evan smiled shyly. "Really?" "Yes. People love how calm they are. You make everyday life look beautiful." Evan looked down. "I just record what I see." "That's the secret," Clara said. "You don't need to travel far. You just need to see what's already around you." That night, Evan thought about her words. Maybe life didn't have to be big. Maybe it had to be real. He began to notice small details: the smell of bread, the color of the morning sky, the laughter of children. He started to feel happy again. Months passed. Evan's channel, The Easy Life, grew fast. People from different countries watched his videos to learn English and relax. Some said his soft voice helped them sleep. Others said his words helped them smile again. Evan still worked in the bakery, but now his days felt full of meaning. He wasn't bored anymore. One day, a little boy came up to him on the street. "Hey, are you the guy from the videos?" Evan laughed. "Maybe." "Do you watch them?" "Yes. My mum says your videos help her relax." Evan smiled. "Tell your mum I'm happy to hear that." A few months later, Clara invited him to her photography exhibition in the city. Evan was nervous. He rarely left his small town, but when he arrived, he saw something amazing. One of Clara's photos was of him, standing behind the bakery window, smiling with a loaf of bread. Under it, the sign said, "The Easy Life, a story of peace in small things." Evan was shocked. Clara smiled and said, "See, your simple life is beautiful." That night, Evan returned home and opened his window. The ocean sounded the same, but now it felt like music. He recorded a new video and said, "Hello, my friends. You don't need a big city or lots of money to be happy. Just look at what you already have. Your family, your friends, the sound of the sea, the smell of coffee. That's the real easy life." People loved the video. It spread across the world. Teachers used it in English lessons, and people sent him letters of thanks. One woman wrote, "Dear Evan, Your videos helped me find peace again. I learned English from you, but I also learned to smile. Thank you. Evan smiled when he read it. He finally understood. A simple life can still be meaningful. When someone later asked him, "Why don't you move to a big city?" Evan just smiled and said, "Because I already found everything I need right here." And as the sun set over the sea, he whispered, "The easy life isn't small, it's real."